right, everyone. Hey, this is Chianti. This section is going to be going over Google Drive, how BCT utilizes it, the best ways to use it in your day-to-day activities, and just kind of get you an overview of it. There's so much information with Google Drive that there's no way that we'll be able to cover everything on this onboarding, but the things that we will definitely cover are setting up your account if you haven't done so already. I know most people are very familiar with Google and Google Drive, and most likely already have an account. So still go through the rest of this process with your Google Drive account and follow along just to make sure that you're on the same page with BCT's functionality. And then the next thing we'll cover is basic navigation. I know once again this is going to be nothing new for some of you guys, but for the ones that it is, take it all in. Key features we're going to hit on, the etiquette that we prefer to have with BCT Income Tax Center and Google Drive, training resources for you to utilize outside of this onboarding, because there's so many features and this technology is always updating. So making sure that you're aware of the newest trends or the newest capabilities of each one of your softwares allows you to save time and enlighten and upbring your peers around you, which allows for better work and the company to thrive. And when that company thrives, everyone inside of it does as well. This is a team effort, and no one's in the by themselves. So just go through this with an open mind, even if you are familiar with Google Drive, and prepare for at the end to take a quiz. And we'll go over more information on adding each other to each other's shared folders and getting you officially good to go within BCTs. So I look forward to seeing you at the end of this journey and hope you have a great day.